Hi friends, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to speak about yoga and meditation. Why yoga and meditation is required in our life, I am going to explain through this video. Prevention is better than cure. So now what we are thinking, let it be, we'll see later, we'll see later. We are procrastinating everything. We'll see later like that. After diseases comes, we are finding the solutions, what to do, what not to do. So we are not aware if we do best things in our life today, our life will be very best in the future. So this thing is not knowing our present generation. Through yoga and meditation, we can prevent the diseases, the future. Through yoga, we will have a peace of mind, we will have a discipline, we will have a very good health, we will have a concentration to do work, we will have a focus on to do achieve our goal. There are lot many benefits we can get from the yoga and meditation. At least if we do minimum 20 minutes of every day, we will have a very good and peaceful life. Since more than 12 years, I have adopted yoga and meditation in my life. Through yoga and meditation, I've got many benefits in my life. I can say I have not gone hospital since 12 years. To be frank, honestly, I'm speaking. I have not got fever. I have not got other diseases. I have no BP, I have no sugar, nothing. I have a peace. I am doing very peaceful life. Why means I believe in this yoga and meditation. 20 minutes of yoga and meditation in the morning, we can lead a peaceful life. So through yoga and meditation, we will have a good mental health status. We will get very good physical status. We will be always flexible. We can bend he like this, like this. We can bend like anything if we do yoga and meditation every day. We can focus mainly, we can focus on our work. We can complete the task within time bound period. You will get analytical skills. We cannot get any stress. Stress management is a very difficult task for everyone. I believe through yoga and meditation we can manage our stress. Yoga and meditation is a stress coping mechanism. We definitely, I'm sure yoga and meditation will give many benefits. I cannot explain fully. So that too many benefits we can get it from the yoga and meditation. Where there is a will, there is a way. If we can do, definitely we can do. Tomorrow morning itself, all itself, we can do it if we have will. If we doesn't have will, we cannot do even after several years also we cannot do. So my advice is to please adopt yoga and meditation at least minimum 20 minutes of each day. Definitely you can able to grow like anything. Through yoga and meditation, you will get discipline. Through discipline, we can get time management. We can effectively manage the time, and you will have a peaceful life. You will get a very good health. You will get, you can reach your goal very easily. You can focus on your day-to-day works. There are plenty of benefits we can get it from the yoga and meditation. This is my own experience sharing. I have made more than 30 videos. I never ever pre-planned to do a presentation. All 30 videos are my own experience. So going forward, I will prepare and do presentation in front of camera. I've got habituated to do every day like 5 to 10 minutes need to speak in front of the camera to improve my communication skills, to improve my vocabulary and grammar. So this will going to benefit. This is a very good platform for me to improve my communication skills as well as I can give good information to the society. So this is my advice. Please adopt at least minimum 20 minutes each a day yoga and meditation. This will going to get huge benefits. Once you get into, then only will come to know what are all these benefits. Thank you.